Exercise 16. Once again, it's from my set 4. What is the positive solution of the absolute value of 3x minus 9 equals 12? Here, I'm going to do it by hand. But remember that absolute value of x is equal to theta, where theta is positive. This leads to two new equations. Either x is theta or x is minus theta. So I'm going to apply this to my own equation. Absolute value of 3x minus 9 is 12. This means that either 3x minus 9 is 12 or 3x minus 9 is equal to negative 12. And then I'm going to solve each one of these separately. 3x is 21, or which means that x is 7, or 3x minus 9 is minus 12, so 3x is negative 3, which means that x is negative 1. We were looking for the positive solution, so x is 7 would be my answer to that.